Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Theragun Relief. So I recently got this for Christmas and I've been able to use it for about a month or so. So I'm going to be going over the pros and cons of what I like about this. Keep in mind that this video isn't sponsored by Theragun, but let's go ahead and get started. So first off, you have the main part, which is the Theragun. And I'd say that this is really portable. It's lightweight. It's travel friendly. It doesn't take up a lot of room. I love how it has three different pressing modes or massaging modes at a simple button. But one thing that I do find to kind of be a bit off is how to actually remove the attachments. So the attachments itself, you have to actually firmly pull it out. And every time you do firmly pull it out, it feels like you're loosening it, for example. Like it's kind of rough or it doesn't feel like it easily just comes off. Now, placing the attachments back in is rather easy. You just wait until you snap it in. Theragun itself, I spent some time actually reviewing all their manuals as far as how to use it. So it comes with a lot of neat guides as far as how to relieve your lower back, neck, legs, and what the different attachments are. So it comes with three different attachments. So this is one, two, and then the third one is already attached onto here. But with the three different attachments, I wish there was a space to actually place with inside the Theragun to actually hold these different attachments. So maybe that'll be like in a future model. Like for example, I have these two different attachments. I wish that like it fit inside here, for example, so that it would all be connected together. Now, because I'm going to be carrying this and having this portable, there's no really carrying case where I can put these attachments. I just have to keep it somewhere safe myself. In addition to that, I'm glad that it does have a Type-C cable. As someone whose all my devices is Type-C cable, this comes really in handy because I only need to bring one cable to charge everything. But overall, it feels great. And I'm really glad I have this just because we go snowboarding a lot, hiking a lot, rock climbing a lot as well. And so we've been using this for quite some time now, and it does provide great relief anytime soreness comes into play and also reduces tension as well. I've used it, my wife used it, our family members have used it as well. But this is great for people who are particularly sore or have like tense areas within their body. But I'd say this is a great gift. Definitely check it out. I've had no problems with it whatsoever.